Hey guys, this video is just for real estate agents, and I'm talking today about what you need to pack in your car if you're a busy agent like me. Hey there, DeElla with Hoberg Homes. If we haven't met yet, I'm a real estate agent here in the North Metro Atlanta area, and getting right to it, I want to talk about what you should pack in your car and have in there all the time so that you are like the Girl Scout or Boy Scout of agents. And making sure your car is like packed and stocked. This is your mobile office, right? If you're doing your job right, you will be in your car a lot, especially if you're a buyer's agent. But even as a seller's agent, my business is literally half and half between buyers and sellers. And I need stuff in my car that is going to get me through the day, that I can have my office on wheels at all times. So let's just get right into it, and I'll tell you what I do for my car and what's going to be important for you. So the first thing is a toolkit. I really think every agent should have a basic toolkit in their car. And specifically, you need a hammer and a mallet. Those are the two tools that you're going to use the most when you're putting in signs. Now, if you've got signage in your car, that's cool. Usually I only load that in my car when I know I'm going to put one out or put signs out. So they're staged in my garage. They're ready to go when I need them. But you have to have a hammer and a mallet to do those. Sometimes I'm going to need a drill and other tools. The other thing that I need all the time, and I can't tell you how many times I've been the hero because this is in my car at all times, you need a tape measure, right? What do your clients want to do when they're looking at a house? How big is this hole for the fridge? How do you think this will fit a king size bed? Like every single time they want to know how big it is. They can't tell, especially in a vacant home. Like if it's staged or it's furnished right now, they can tell, oh yeah, my couch will fit there. But other than that, they want to know, how big is it? I can't tell. I don't know. You're the hero when you have the tape measure. Okay, if nothing else sticks today, put a damn tape measure in your car, right? Okay, what else? So you've got your toolkit, you've got your hammer and your mallet, you've got your tape measure. Okay, personal stuff. When I was in my 20s, we called this a hoe bag. That means it's like the bag that you would have in your car for whenever you hooked up. Okay, it's not like that now. This is your real estate go bag. This means when you spill coffee all over yourself in the car, you have a change of clothes, a change of shoes, some makeup, some deodorant, some wet wipes, whatever it takes to clean yourself up in your car. Because there are situations, right? I work with investors as well, and I will be mucking through a property when my shoes are practically ruined. I will be spider webs in the hair, and then I have another meeting and I have to look decent. So you have to figure this stuff out. So in my go bag, my hoe bag, I have a change of clothes, I have another pair of shoes, I have makeup, I have wet wipes, I have a hairbrush, deodorant, and a spritz. Whatever it needs for you, to make yourself look decent. If you have just been through the ringer, that's what you need to keep in your car at all times. The other big thing, keep some cleaning keep cleaning supplies in your car as well. So whether it's an open house or one of your listings that you just go check on, It's important to have like either some wipes or a spritz or something, especially since we're still dealing with COVID. It's important to have some cleaning supplies in your car at all times where you can just whip them out, do the job, and be done. What else? What else? I almost forgot. Water, snacks, right? You need to keep yourself going. And I am actually terrible at this. I skip meals and then I get starving and I eat fast food and like I just don't think about that enough. But go ahead and make sure that you've always got water and maybe protein bars or whatever other snack that you can have on the road that's going to be healthy and make you feel good. It will serve you really, really well. Okay. There are tons of other things that we could talk about that you could have in your car, but we want to keep it simple. So let's just recap really quick. Have a toolkit including a hammer, mallet, tape measure. Make sure that you've got your little go kit, hoe bag, whatever you want to call it, going in your car so that personally you can get from gross to fabulous in a split second in the car where you're not having to run home to take a shower and change. Third, make sure that you have some snacks and water so that you are good to go at all times. Oh, last thing, and this might be in our era the most important thing: chargers, chargers, chargers. Never, ever, ever leave home without your chargers. There have been times where I've switched cars with my husband, and if you don't know it yet, you can't get into a house if your phone isn't charged, right? Because that's where your opening app is for all the lock boxes. Make sure you have a charger with you at all times. Okay, toolkit, hoe bag, chargers, snacks, and water. That's the biggest thing when you're setting up your car for real estate success. I hope you like this content. Make sure and subscribe.